And this is a shot from our eyes west overlooking Lake Ontario. Cool and very cold weather, Jesse, is coming our way. Now, Jesse, it looks like it was sunny out there, but I look out the window and it's really not. And I feel like it hasn't been a particularly sunny winter. Am I wrong?
No, you're not wrong, Sin. To have a lot of sunshine, you need a dominant high pressure in your forecast. And we have not had that, at least for the month of January, consistently. Although we've increased our daylight hours, not to be confused with sunlight, we've had earlier sunrises, later sunsets. We've not had that brilliant blue sunny sky. Now, here's the thing. Getting into the first full week of February, this is what the pattern looks like. The cold Arctic air battling it out with the mild air towards our south. What does this really equate to? It means an active storm boundary, which means more low pressure systems. It also means some messy weather. And today was no different. Actually, today was a prime example of exactly what happens when you have this type of atmospheric setup. It's the rain switching over to wet snow. It's very messy, and that's because temperatures are right around that freezing mark all across southern Ontario. This is the battleground. 0 in Toronto, -1 up towards Barrie, 1 degree in Niagara Falls. It started off as light rain all across the Golden Horseshoe early this morning. This system, it is relentless. It continues to slide a little bit further to the south, but it continues to flip over from rain to snow. We even had some brief freezing rain and ice pellets being reported as well out towards Hamilton and Brantford. You could see over the next hour or so, it continues to make its way across the Niagara Peninsula as wet, sloppy snow impacts your drive across the QEW, the 403 corridor, and it eventually tapers off to some light scattered flurries after about 9-10 p.m. tonight. We eventually say goodbye to that cloud cover tonight, and we are looking at clear skies into early tomorrow morning. But what does that also mean? In comes that cold, frigid Arctic air mass behind it. We'll feel more like -23 in the city of Toronto waking up early Saturday morning. Extreme cold towards our north and east, where we do have some extreme cold warnings in place. Now, as we get through Sunday, in comes that next area of low pressure, some wet snow, followed by some rain snow mixes behind that system because temperatures are increasing again. So that's that battleground setting up. -2 for your daytime high on Sunday, +3 on Monday, some messy weather ongoing. And then we're back into the messy weather for Wednesday and Thursday of next week. So watch out. There might be that threat of some freezing rain, a wintry mix, and some wet snow ahead.